Hi guys, in this lesson we're gonna study verb to be. Verb to be seems like an one of the easy verb, but actually it's the most confusing verb for many students. The reason of that is to be is a irregular verb. So when we use the verb to be in sentences, we use as a am or is and are. And M's are changing according to the uh, subject. So the most verb is used like same base form. So we say I played, he played. So usually base form, but to be is changing according to the subject. For example, when I say I am, but he, she, it becomes is, and we, you, they, it becomes are. So when we say I am a doctor, but we don't say I be a doctor, or we say she is a doctor. And when we use the to be verb in the past tense, it becomes was and were. And for I, he, she, it becomes was, and we, you, they, it becomes were. And in past participle sentences, it becomes been. So we say I have been, or she has been. So here the thing you should know is verb to be is an irregular verb. So let's go to next one. Next one is how we make the sentences. So we say with positive sentence I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. And with negative sentences we say we just add the not. I am not, you are not. Also we can read you aren't, he, she, it is not, or he isn't, we are not, we aren't. And when we make a question, so only thing which we have to do is we put the verb at the beginning of the sentence. So am I, are you, are we, are they, is he, she, it, right? So and be careful here, we use am as a base verb, okay? Or here we use are as a base verb. So why I am saying is because when you say are you talking, in this sentence talk is a base, or talk is the main verb and are is a helping verb. But here are is the main verb in the sentence. And let's go to next. So this is the most confusing part, I think, for this verb. So where are we using this verb? So we use to be verb to describe the thing or somebody. Describe the thing or person. And we describe the thing or person with the noun or adjective. And another use is we just saying where the subject, thing or person is at, so location. So this is the three place that we using this verb. So let's go each of them. So there's a subject I, and I'm describing what am I? I am a doctor. So those are all noun. Are you a student? Describe you, and he's a driver. We describe he. What is he? He's a driver. She's not a police officer. It's a cat. What is it? It's a cat. And here we have to be careful when we use the singular pronoun. For example, I am. We use singular noun here. A doctor. Okay. We add a article, a or an. Are you a student? He's a driver. So those are all nouns, and with the nouns we use a article for the singular uh, subject. So let's go to here. We is plural. So when we say we are doctors, okay, we add s. So if here is plural, and also this area becomes plural, and we use are. You are students. Are they teachers? Okay. So we describe the thing with the nouns, and the next one is we describe the thing or people with the adjective. So adjectives like quantity, feelings, those are all adjective. I am happy. Are you lazy? He's tall. So those are all to be verb. Okay. This one, this one. She is. This is a verb. She's not fat. It's black. We are tired. So you are excited. Are they angry? And there is something here. An adjective doesn't become plural and doesn't take a or an article. Okay. So what does it mean? So as you see here, we say we are doctors. If the subject is plural, noun is also plural. We are doctors. But here, I am a doctor. So when we use the verb to be with adjective, we gotta be careful. So I am happy. Also I say we are happy. Okay. Here is plural, but we don't say we are happy. This is incorrect. So adjectives don't take as, don't becomes plural. This is the first thing. The other thing is adjectives doesn't take a or an article. So we don't say he's a good. We say he's good. I am good. We are good. We are happy. He is happy. All of them is same. We never add article to the adjective. But sometimes you see a sentence like this. He's a good man. So there's an article here in front of the adjective, before the adjective. So the reason is this is there's a noun here, man. So this article actually belongs to this noun. But when we use the noun with the adjective, we add a article. Okay, he is a good man. But if there is no man here, no noun, we say he's good. Okay, we don't say he's a good. Just he's good. He's a good man. It's a house. It's a nice house. It's nice. It is a nice house. Why we add a? Because of the house. So now we describe the subject, the thing, people with the noun or adjective. Okay, this is the two thing we use the to be verb. So the last one is we used to be to indicate where the subject is, or the thing or people. So with the location. So I am at home. Where am I? I am at home. Are you outside? Is he at the library? She's not upstairs. The cat is under the tree. So all here is, are, those are all the verb to be. And we are at home. You are behind me. They are in front of us. So where are they? They are in front of us. Where are you? You are behind me. I'm just indicating where the person is. That's why I'm using to be verb. So we use to be verb for describe the subject with the noun, adjective. Also, we just uh, telling where the subject is. Okay, those are the three things we use to be verb. And how about making question with question words? What's question words? Like what, where, why. So she is at home. Okay, this is a positive sentence. She is at home. So when we make this sentence negative, we say is she at home, right? Is she at home? So if you wanna ask question with the question word, where is she? As you see, where is the in the beginning of the sentence, then to be, then she. Where is she? Let's go to the next one. He is Ahmed. Is he Ahmed? Who is he? Okay, you see, is he, just we add who at the beginning of the sentence. You are happy. Are you happy? Are you happy? Why are you happy? Okay, you see there's a question word, to be verb, subject, then adjective.